So this is the real king of my household right here. Yeah, you pirated one of my videos, you cat. Oh. His name is Thor. You never caught it. What you doing, bud? I gotta make sure you look hot. You're sexy and you know it. Dun 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 dun. I don't know what it is about cat videos, but hell, I thought I'd post one. My other cat's hiding. She's like the biggest fraidy cat. He's a Highland Lynx. Yeah. You want it? You want in the video too? Come here. Come on. Come on, pups. No? Okay, well, my dog doesn't want to be in it. She's just wanting me to pet her, so I'll show you guys her in a little while, but anyway, here's my cat licking. I hope this is entertaining. I could do this for hours. How about you, Thor? Anyway, so that's one of my cats. He's kind of a dick. Ah, sorry. My dog's wanting to be in a video. I might put her in the next one, so anyway. Hope you guys have a good day. I wanted to post something. I thought, why not my naked cat taking a bath? So yeah. Yay me. Alright. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And yeah. Bye.